Hi guys, this is not about just Stan Thomas Kiddie rides. And yes. Yo, no, I'm just reviewing this flash on, by the way. Remember Johnny Butcher? 2006. Another Stuka Lane Tops Limited. I love this ride. No. Pop a builder. Is this song called No More Tears For You? I think it is. Because I do love this song. I'm curious, what is this song, by the way? Just wait. The second ride. Yeah. You just skip over there, and there's Troy. I've got a flash on for this. Oh, there's a digger over there. Takes a scoop. I still find that a bit boring though. If anyone can tell me what the song's up there, just let me know in the comments below. If anyone knows it, I'd be really grateful. Yeah, I love this ride. Last ride. Y'all can hear murder in the dance hall in the background. I'm afraid that this is going to get copyright in the background. I believe in. It is there over there. And this man Laurie. See? See? You can see it for some reason. The donut over there, Match Castle. I still hate the donut, by the way. Because they plays baby songs. I think you can hear the comments of any things, I'm not sure. The conference code is AA19729. See? And that was just on a bunch of Stan Thomas Kiddie rides. With flash on with 3 rides.